Are you looking for the best radiator stop leak in 2023? Top 7 radiator stop leaks for review? In this video, we will look at some of the best radiator stop leak in 2023. Top 7 radiator stop leaks for review on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. K-Seal Coolant Leak Repair. This K-Seal leak repair provides a tight seal to your cooling system quickly and efficiently. One of the best features is that it is simple to use and can be applied instantly to your coolant system. It's capable of being added to either a hot or cold engine, saving your time. However, use extreme caution when mixing the solution with a hot engine to avoid hurting yourself. Another benefit of K-Seal's leak repair is it mixes with all types of antifreeze, so you need not worry about buying a specific brand for your car. It also can be left in the cooling system or flushed out if needed. K-Seal's formula is designed to target holes and cracks, then permanently seal them without damaging your engine. While this may be an excellent radiator fluid stop leak, there are a few drawbacks you should be aware of. K-Seal does guarantee a permanent seal, but many consumers report they experience some leaking again a few weeks or months after application. This could be due to the size of the crack, but it should still block small holes without issue. Another problem is it tends to clog easily and is a bit on the pricier side. Number 2. Bars Leak's Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak. Bars Leak is well known for its stop leak products, and among the best is its liquid aluminum stop leak. The compound making up the fluid works great at sealing leaks, and it also conditions the engine with the use of what Bars Leaks call liquid aluminum. That's just step 1. Step 2 is known as the Extreme Cool formula. This solution stops overheating and reduces the temperature of the water in the radiator. Another great feature is how durable and effective this stop leak is. It easily seals leaks in plastic, aluminum, and metal radiators, heater cores, gaskets, and freeze plugs. One other benefit is this stop leak can be added to the cooling system without having to flush out the antifreeze. It can also be used with all types of coolant, including yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, and green silicate-based and non-silicate-based antifreeze. While the price is a bonus, you may have to buy in bulk to get more efficient results. Another downside is you will have to wait up to 20 minutes with the engine idling to ensure all the cracks are properly sealed. However, as with all of the products mentioned here, it is not a permanent solution and your vehicle will need to be treated again or taken to a mechanic. Number 3. Bars Leak's Radiator Stop Leak Concentrate. Seal the leaks in your radiator with this concentrated formula. It works to seal small leaks in your radiator or heater core. Bars Leaks manufactures this product in the United States. One bottle can treat up to 4 gallons. This formula will address drips and leaks that occur from regular wear and tear or aging of your system. This concentrate works with all types and colors of antifreeze, coolant, and slash or water. This makes it versatile and easier to use. The concentrated formula means you only need 1 bottle for a regular-sized cooling system. It will work with most 6, 8, and 10-cylinder engines. For 4-cylinder engines, you only need half a bottle. Unfortunately, this concentrate isn't effective at sealing larger leaks, or leaks that are located in the seams, bolts, or other areas of the system. It also won't protect against overheating. Number 4. AlumAseal Radiator Stop Leak Powder. This radiator sealant from AlumAseal is one of the original sealant products on the market. You pour the powder into your cooling system and then wait for the formula to go to work. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze. When you use this powder, you not only seal up the current leaks, but you also create a protective barrier that will prevent future leaks and rust. It will also lubricate your water pump to further preserve and extend the life of your cooling system. Unfortunately, this powder is only effective at sealing small leaks or pin-sized holes. You also need to be careful, as it has clogged some vehicles' cooling systems. The powder may not completely mix into the liquid to flow through the entire system, which can cause overheating. Number 5. Liquid aluminum will appeal to inexperienced vehicle owners. This liquid can treat any vehicle, regardless of coolant type. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze, including extended life varieties. You don't need to concern yourself with flushing or draining your system. All you have to do is add it directly to your radiator. If that isn't accessible, you can treat your reservoir with it instead. A single bottle of bars leaks will be enough for the majority of coolant systems. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, start with half a bottle. The best bit, it takes a maximum of 20 minutes to be effective. If symptoms persist, you can attempt a second treatment. You don't necessarily have to take your car out for a drive. The guidelines state that keeping the engine idling is acceptable too. The formula includes a cooling additive for enhanced coolant performance. It lowers the surface tension of your cooling fluid to boost heat transfer. This should discourage overheating, which is always a plus. Number 6. K-Seal Multi-Purpose One-Stop Permanent Coolant Leak Repair. This product from K-Seal is a comprehensive treatment for perforations throughout your engine. It's also rated to work as a head gasket sealer, blocks, and seals. Despite all these capabilities, treatment is straightforward. K-Seal leak repair can be mixed with any antifreeze and poured directly into your radiator. For standard treatment, your main responsibility will be shaking the bottle for half a minute. Afterward, all you have to do is idle your engine for 20 to 30 minutes. Particles in the formula mesh together over the leaks. The seal is then cured through exposure to heat and gases inside your engine. If the mention of particles has you concerned about clogs, don't be. They aren't large enough to block tubes or pipes. For head gasket repair, the instruction manual details treatment steps for overpressurized systems. This is practical for individuals who aren't fluent in mechanics. The guidelines also specify the maximum size of holes and cracks this liquid works on. If the treatment is successful, you'll know that holes or cracks don't exceed the stated measurements. Number 7. Bars Leaks Cooling System Repair. This temporary radiator stop leak is great if you want to buy yourself some time. You can plug up holes and cracks while you save up for your mechanic's bill. Although this product won't last forever, it can still be useful. Another benefit is it could reduce overheating. As with the other Bars Leaks liquid we have reviewed, the formula includes cooling additives. This will enhance heat transfer in your cooling system, combating overheating. If your cooling system is less than 1.5 gallons, half a bottle is sufficient. For standard systems, 1 bottle should do the trick. Larger systems will require 1 bottle for every 4 gallons. You won't have to flush or drain your cooling system unless it's dirty. It can be mixed with any brand of antifreeze directly. An advantage of this cooling system repair is that it's freeze resistant. If you happen to leave a bottle in the cold, you can thaw it out and still use it. This is handy when you buy a pack of 4 instead of a single bottle.